Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here again, guess what, with another Ipsy box unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So this is my Ipsy box, so let's go ahead and open her up. And let's just jump right into it. So my first product I got on here is from Glow Recipe, and it is the Watermelon Aha Night Treatment. I thought I had the... Nope, that is from HudaBeauty. I feel like their packaging looks pretty similar. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Aha Night Treatment and Glowing Radiance and Soothing. Is that what it says? Yes, smoothing. And this is from, oh no, this is actually from Glow Recipe as well, and it is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. But that's not what I was gonna show you guys. Like HudaBeauty has like look at the packages, alright? They look pretty similar. But yeah, but this is what I got in my Boxycharm. It is the night treatment. It's not night, but let's go ahead and, you know, put a little bit on the skin. Ooh, while I like literally top over half of it. This is like everywhere. Oh, this feels so good. I feel like my face was really dry, so this is perfect. Okay, so this was product number 2. Actually, I think this month it says it's Boxycharm Glam-amours. Oh, Halloween Glam-amours, got it, because we're in October. So I like how I'm putting this, like, there's nothing wrong with like putting stuff like these things on like your elbow. Like, why not? Because, you know, the elbow needs a little extra, you know, what do you call that, like elbow grease. Whatever, I'm being silly. Okay, let us jump quick into our next product. So our next product is actually from Teeez or Teeez. Never heard of them. It is Suit of Armor Battle Prep. So it's a primer. And she looks like so. Soothing Face Priming Cream. And oh, it smells good. Kind of smells like flowery. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be good. So we will definitely test this out today. And let us jump quick into the next product. So my next product is from HudaBeauty, and it is a lipstick, and this is shade Trophy Wife. And she looks like so. It's kind of pinky. Looks like this. This is cute. So this is cute. Cute. And then, so this is 3 products. And let us jump real quick into our other product, which is from Context. And it says it is a brow pomade stick, which looks... Oh, that's cute. So we're gonna like use that real quick. So it is one pomade on one side like this. So you just kind of pass it. And then on the other end, it has like a little brush. I don't know if you guys can see this. That's a little brush. Then you just take that and brush it up. This is so cute. Bam. Last but not least, so this is actually from Ofra Cosmetics, and it says it's Bienvenidos, Miami. Welcome to Miami.
Oh shit. Did you just get pig fat on my suit?
No. and it's the mini mix face palette. Ooh, so there's no eyeshadow palette, but this is what we have. I'm trying to take off the, and it looks like so. So if you can see, like, look like so. It is, it has some pretty shades in there, but yeah. But yeah, guys, so that's what I got in my Boxycharm / Ipsy box. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look with this actually. Like, who says we can't use our products for multiple things, right? We can definitely do that. This is an F150 from Plainy Makeup by Yolondo. Just making sure I dipped up and make sure there's no creasing. So let us jump into this palette. I don't even know. Let's go into this shade right here. So there's no, oh, there is names. I guess it would be Dale Bronzer. So let's go and put this here. And I'm just gonna try to like blend this out nicely. I have to say though, for a bronzer, I feel like this is blending very nice, which means it's gonna go on quite nice for the bronzer when you're gonna use it for what it's actually meant to be used for. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, you know, but I'm still gonna use my purple. But I do need all the lilac-y shade in there. I'm guessing it's a blush. Yep, Vice blush. And I'm just gonna tap. This is a little bit more of my shadow primer. Now I'm gonna use this P107 brush, and I'm gonna go into Vice, which is that kind of purpley, lilac-y blush, and I'm gonna put it right there. What happened? Okay, so that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter glue. So next, and then I'm gonna put this over top, and then we're gonna go into one of the highlighters. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a large shader E50 from Sigma, and I think I'm gonna go into Ocean Drive highlighter. It's like the middle bottom shade, and then we're just gonna put this over here. So I feel like this would be a really pretty highlighter, but for eyeshadow, maybe not so much. Put this back down, and let's go back into that bronzer, and then just bronze it up, bronze it up. So I'm gonna use this primer from Teeez. It says a smoothing face priming cream, and it's Hydra Shield, and that was from my Boxycharm. Oh, this feels good. It is definitely smoothing, I'll give it that. But let's see what else it does. I like the smell though, it's kind of nice and clean. So let's use this brush. This is 209, and then where is that palette? And we're just gonna go ahead and just use that brown and just go to town. Let me use this. I think this is, and then I'm gonna use this lightest, see, and just put it in my inner corner, the lightest highlighter. Well, that's bronze. I think first I'm gonna try this shade right here because this makes me nervous. I need This is actually, but I need something to like line my lips. Maybe this is from Buxom and it's Undercover. I don't think this is gonna work, but you know what, we'll go with it. Okay, so let's go over the products I got in my Boxycharm. So let me grab my phone and my handy dandy notepad. This actually came in the Boxycharm, and it is the Boxycharm Glam-amours. It's a enter our ultimate Halloween beautyverse if you dare. We've brewed up 1,000+ makeup tutorials and hair raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween hair like a pro. Check them out at Ipsy on TikTok or Spookie season. So let us jump to the products. So my first product was from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the it was the brow palette. What am I saying? It was a face palette. However, I did go ahead and use it to do my eye. I mean, I got a nice little simple little look, like nothing crazy, but it was a face palette. So I use it for my eye, I use it for my shadow, and my shadow, my blush, my highlighter, my bronzer. So pretty much my entire face, and that was $42. You gotta use your products for everything, because if not, you know, you'll be spending a lot of money. The next product was from Glow Recipe, which was this. This was actually really good. Like, it made my face feel really nice and really soft, and I like it. I'll be using this every night, and that was $40. The other product was from Context Brow. I have my brow ombre. Here's heights. Like, that's all I can say about that, and that was $20. Let's jump into the lipstick. It's from HudaBeauty. HudaBeauty have really good lipstick. That's what I'm wearing on my lip. It looks good, you know, and that was $23. Last but not least, it was this primer from Teeez. I've never heard of them. It says Teeez Suit of Armor Battle Prep Face Primer. It was a soothing primer. I don't know. Actually, like, I have pore, like my right there next to my nose, whatever. Did it do anything revolutionary? No, it was alright. And that it was, oh god, look, I can't find the price. Oh my god, I can't find, oh, and that was $38. $38. Oof. 38 plus 23 plus 20 plus 40 plus 42. So my total for my box was $163. So that's what I'm telling you, man. It's so difficult to really like judge Boxycharm / Ipsy, because this month I think I got a lot of like actual products I could use. So this is a night treatment, but it was so moisturizing and felt so good on the skin. I used it before I put my primer. The other product was the primer that I was able to use. Then it had the brow pomade and the little brush. I was able to use it. As I say, my brow is ombre, so I just had to do a little, you know, a little something. So I was able to use that. For the palette, I was able to use it for my face. I was able to use it on my eyes. So that was pretty good. What am I missing? And then the lipstick. So this month was like a lot of like makeup products, and the only thing that wasn't really was the night treatment, which I still use pre-makeup. So I think that was a pretty successful box. It's a hit or miss with them. Like, it's sometimes I get zero makeup, and then sometimes I get a little bit more makeup. So yeah, so that's it guys for my Boxycharm for October. If you like my channel, if you like, you know, I know I'm small, but I'm trying to grow. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and guess what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Today, think I need a holiday. You know I got some money from my